Yes, I needed one of these so badly, actually. Laundry hampers are gold, especially good laundry hampers. And this is a good one. So it folds up like you just saw. It has long handles, so when I'm walking up the stairs. It has wheels. It's got nice material. The best thing about this material is that it's waterproof on the inside, so no more stinky laundry hamper. It's just rolling around the top. It's not gonna soak in. Look, I just dripped it off. Now I can wipe it dry. You can either hold it like this, or it's got this one leather loop on this side. But this loop, you can like drag it behind you if it's really full. Oh, speaking of full, let's see how much we can fit in here. Oh, how convenient. I've got some laundry here. Just kidding, that's not convenient. There's always laundry here. Let's see how much we can fit in here. It's got the advantage of the fabric, as I'll give. We just fit everything from this normal hamper into here. I'd say that's a success. Gotta go.